Okay, well here we are on the 13th of June and we're in a field called Stanley's Walk, and Stanley's Walk is about 4 and a bit hectares, Cotswold brash, very thin soil, and we're about to plant some peas into this cover crop. So this was the forage rye that was planted in September. We grazed it with the sheep for a short period of time to use some winter forage around Christmas and just into the new year. And since that point the sheep were removed and the crop has had no fertiliser, no growth regulation, and off it went basically. Fantastic coverage of the soil. These stems and plants were getting on for somewhere in the region of anywhere between 8 and 12 feet high. So we have literally got a blanket over the soil. I'm just going to stop in here and just have a look at what we've got going on. So this is the soil that's left, which is it's in relatively good condition, having not had any traffic on it. Loads of roots working away through the winter period. On a bit of a weeding here, these roots have gone in really well. Wow. Very well anchored. I can't pull those out at all. And what we've done is we've actually Cambridge rolled the field at 90 degrees to the way we're going to plant it. And the plan is to plant it with the cross slot drill, which will hopefully dissect these 12-foot long stalks and plants into little short 8-inch segments. We haven't put any glyphosate on it yet. I think we probably will with the pre-emergence herbicide on the peas, which I'm slightly in two minds as to whether we actually need to do, bearing in mind that the weed seeds will only germinate either when they get disturbed or when they get sort of light attached to them, and these would have competed a lot of the weeds out. Having said that, with peas you only really have pre-emergence herbicides that are going to work, but again, are they going to work if they're attached to these crops as opposed to being attached to the soil? So lots to learn, lots to think about, but so far we've managed to roll it. I did think we were going to struggle getting the rolls through the crop because of getting tied up in the bearings and things like that, but the drill's arrived in the field. It's Ambassador, which are a hand-picked pea. These will be harvested at the end of August, 80 to 90 days from today, and fascinating project, and we'll see how we get on. Stay tuned for a bit of drilling.